Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you Taiwanese donuts. It's a request from my customer. They asked me to recreate a very popular donut in Taiwan. I had no idea what the Taiwanese donut is, but when I had a bite, I was so impressed by the texture of it. Crunchy on the outside, chewy but puffy on the inside. It is so addictive. Let's get started. First, let's make the dough. Put your bread flour into your stand mixer bowl. Add in sugar and salt. Turn on the mixer until combined. Meanwhile, beat the egg and add in the whole milk. Add in the yeast and continue mixing. Because the sugar and salt might deactivate the yeast, add in later to avoid direct contact. Pour in the egg and milk mixture slow and steady stream. Do not add wet ingredient all at once. If you do that, it's going to take more time to form a dough. Turn the speed to medium when it forms a dough. Knead the dough for 5 minutes until very smooth. Add in shortening and mix until the dough comes back together for about 3 minutes. If you have negative feelings for using shortening, just replace it for unsalted butter. I used unsalted butter for the first try. It made a dense and rich donut. It doesn't have the same texture as Taiwanese donut, obviously, but it's up to you which fat to use. The dough stretches paper thin like this, it's good to go. Shape into a ball and press in a greased bowl. Cover and let it rise for 45 to 60 minutes until almost double in volume. After 15 minutes, my dough rises almost double in volume. To know whether or not you've proofed your dough enough, poke the dough with your dusted finger and it's not spring back, you should be able to go on the next step. Next, divide the dough into 16 pieces, 50 grams for each dough. Shape into a ball and take 5 minutes bench rest. What bench rest do to the dough is relaxes the gluten and makes it easy to shape into a donut. To shape the dough, bagel method with a little bit of oil including. Drizzle a little bit of vegetable oil on your working surface and roll out the dough into 1/4 inch in thickness. Roll it up and pinch to seal the end. Let it rest while working on the other dough. Instead of vegetable oil, you can spread the shortening on the surface, and this makes a lighter and fluffier donut. This shaping method creates the signature texture by making a layer in the dough. Roll the dough into 20 to 25 cm long. Smash one end and wrap the other end. Twist and roll to seal the end. Repeat the process. You can cut out the dough, but there is always scrap dough. But in this method, you can use all the dough. Line on a parchment-lined baking tray and let it rise for 20 to 25 minutes until puffs up a little. Next, we are going to make the batter. The batter creates the Taiwanese donuts' unique crunchy outside texture. Sift together all-purpose flour, rice flour, cornstarch, and baking soda in a bowl. Add in water and whisk to combine. The consistency is like a tempura batter. For the finishing touch, the donuts will be coated with sugar and powdered milk. And I prepared Kinako and sugar version. Set aside until used. Let's take a look at the donut. It looks puffy and so adorable, and the yeasty smells are so comforting. Heat vegetable oil for frying for 160 degrees Celsius. Deep fry for 3 minutes on each side. The temperature should not be too high because the dough will not be fully expanding if we start cooking on high heat. Take out and drip off any excess oil on the wire rack. Dust with sugar we have just prepared while still hot. It's so crispy from the outside to the touch. Can you see the layer of the donut? It's not a melt-in-your-mouth kind of donut, but it's so delicious and satisfying. I have never had this kind of texture before. The only way to taste it is just make it. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!